Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach when the bill arrives at an expensive dinner you didn't even want to be at? That invisible pressure to smile while your bank account screams for help. This has a name, and it's silently destroying your financial freedom. But what if I told you that the truly wealthy are doing the exact opposite right now? There's a movement called loud budgeting that is turning NO into a trophy. Stay with me, because today you will learn to use your voice to save your wallet. We live in an era of digital illusions, where every click pushes us towards a life we cannot sustain. You open Instagram and see trips, cars, and dinners that look like they're straight out of a movie. The result? A dark phenomenon called doom spending. People are spending compulsively because they feel the future is uncertain. If home ownership seems impossible, why not buy that $2,000 designer sneaker now? It's a dangerous psychological escape. The statistics are alarming. Millions are trapped in credit card debt, desperately trying to keep up appearances on a stage that never closes its curtains. But what if the secret to freedom lay in something as simple as a 3-letter word? No, but not just any no. A loud, proud, and strategic NO. We are talking about the end of the era of silent ostentation and the beginning of a financial revolution that can change your life forever, if you have the courage to be honest with yourself. But what is, exactly, this loud budgeting? Imagine your friends invite you to a very expensive event. In the past, you would make up an excuse. You'd say you were sick, or that you already had plans. You would lie to hide your financial reality. Loud budgeting kills that shame. You simply say, "I'd love to go, but I'm not going because I'm prioritizing my emergency fund this month." Or, "That amount doesn't fit into my leisure budget because I'm focused on paying off my debt by December." This is power. When you speak out loud, you take away the power of social pressure. You are no longer the cheapskate of the group. You are the person with a plan. It's about being proud of your financial priorities. It's about turning saving into an admirable lifestyle, not a punishment. When you take control of the narrative, the people around you stop judging you and start respecting you. And the most curious thing? Often, they feel immense relief because they also wanted to say no, but didn't have your courage. Now, pay close attention. There is a trap that most people ignore when trying to save. They try to cut everything at once and end up giving up in 2 weeks. But the secret to loud budgeting is not total deprivation. It's the radical choice of where your money will live. In a moment, I'm going to show you the exact math of how small rejections out loud turn into an invested fortune. But first, let us see how to apply this in practice in 5 areas that are draining your financial blood right now. Are you ready to see where your money is really going? Area number one: social events. This is the biggest trap of all. Weddings, birthdays, happy hours. The rule here is elegance in refusal. You don't have to be rude. Use phrases like, "I value our friendship, but my financial goal this month is sacred." Propose alternatives. Instead of a $300 dinner, suggest a coffee or a walk in the park. Loud budgeting focuses on human connection, not shared consumption. Area number TWO: luxury brands. The new smart is high-quality generic. Why pay 5 times more for a logo if the function is the same? In the loud budgeting movement, wearing something unbranded is a sign of superior intelligence. It is telling the world, "I don't need to validate my existence with someone else's label." When someone asks you about your clothes, say with pride, "It's basic and durable. What I saved here is already yielding dividends in my account." This changes the perception of value instantly. Area number 3: technology and upgrades. We need to talk about the dictatorship of the new model. The marketing of large companies wants you to feel that your 2-year-old cell phone is garbage. The golden rule here is, use it until it breaks. In loud budgeting, a device with a slightly scratched screen but that works perfectly is a symbol of resistance. It's a protest against planned obsolescence. When they see your old model, don't apologize. Say, "It does everything I need, and the upgrade money is financing my geographical freedom." Area number 4: ghost subscriptions. Those $10, $20, $30 that come out every month for services you don't even remember you have. Canceling out loud is a financial purification ritual. Take a Saturday to audit your statement. Cancel everything that doesn't bring you real joy and announce to your family, "I just saved $200 a month by cleaning up our subscriptions." This creates a culture of positive vigilance in your home. Area number 5, gifts. Christmas and birthdays don't have to be synonymous with debt. Start normalizing handmade gifts, or what we call low-cost experiences. A dinner cooked by you at home has much more emotional value than an object bought in a hurry at a noisy mall. Talk openly with your friends and family about it. Say, "This year, I decided that my gifts will be about time and affection, not about consumption." You will be surprised at the relief this causes everyone. Loud budgeting removes the weight of financial obligation from interpersonal relationships. It allows love to be expressed genuinely, without the ghost of the credit card bill haunting the next month. It is a collective liberation that begins with your voice. Now, let's get to the part that will blow your mind. The math of freedom. If you apply loud budgeting and save just $500 a month, by refusing 2 dinners out, an unnecessary cell phone upgrade and some useless subscriptions, in a year you will have $6,000. But it doesn't stop there. If you invest that amount with a moderate rate of return of 10% per year, in 10 years you will have almost $100,000. In 20 years, $500,000. All this just for saying no to things you didn't even really want. Loud budgeting is not about being poor. It's about choosing to be rich in the future instead of looking rich now. Look at this graph on the screen. Each small bar represents a no you said, and each rise in the curve represents your freedom to never again have to accept a job you hate or a boss who doesn't respect you. This is not saving. It's buying your soul back from the hands of consumerism. The question that remains for you today is simple, but brutal. What are you more afraid of? Looking cheap to people who don't pay your bills, or reaching 60 with not a penny in your pocket because you tried to impress strangers? Loud budgeting is your shield. It is your declaration of independence. So, let's start right now. What is the first thing you will cut out loud this month? Write here in the comments. Loud budgeting if you accept the challenge of being honest with your finances from today. I want to see who has the courage to change their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies that the elites use and don't tell you. Your financial future will thank you, and your peace of mind too. Until the next video, where we will continue to break the chains of your financial mind.